Welcome to Ashlee's Ratchet Hair Salon.
Shut up, I'm almost done. All I got left is this side and then you're done. Okay. I actually cut hair really good. Okay. Okay.
YouTube video.
Tutorial on how to cut your hair. Snip. Medical hair loss. That totally does not sound perverted. And let's brush it all out and make sure it's all even. You are done. Okay, turn around. See your back side. Okay. When you wear your hair back like this, it's gonna look uneven in the back because, that's not how hair works.
Mhm.
Because I cut it for the evenness.
Shout out to all the hairs.
This looks pretty done. Want me to show on the back side?
Sure.
The back side. So here, in the back side, once I finish brushing it out, we'd have, don't turn your freaking face, this annoying girl right here, the beautiful even cut. Selfie. Selfie.
Say bye-bye, Ashlee.
Bye-bye. That'll be $10, please.